Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, running boards, power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.